Hey there, future tech superstars! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of programming? It's like learning a secret language that makes computers dance. And trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, it's like learning to ride a bike. Remember those wobbly first attempts? Yeah, we've all been there. But once you get the hang of it, it's pure freedom. That's what programming is like. It opens up a universe of possibilities. Imagine creating your own apps, designing websites that pop, or even building the next big video game. That's the power of programming. And the best part? Anyone can learn it, no matter your age, background, or whether you prefer pizza or tacos. Although, let's be real, tacos are life. So, are you ready to unleash your inner tech wizard? Let's get this coding party started. Okay folks, let's get real for a sec. Programming isn't just about making cool stuff, although that's a major perk. It's about having skills that are hotter than a jalapeno on a summer day. Seriously, in today's tech-driven world, programming is like having superpowers. Think about it. Almost everything around us runs on code. Your phone, your car, even your refrigerator. Okay, maybe not your refrigerator yet. And guess what? Someone has to write all that code. That someone could be you. With programming skills, you're not just riding the wave of the future, you're driving the boat. You'll be in high demand, have amazing job opportunities, and basically be able to write your own ticket. Plus, you'll finally understand what all those ones and zeros actually mean. Now, before you think I'm some kind of coding prodigy, let me tell you about the time I almost broke the internet. Okay, maybe not the whole internet, but definitely my website. Picture this. I'm just starting out, feeling all confident, like a coding rock star. I'm adding a new feature to my website, changing some code, feeling good. I hit save, refresh the page, and bam! The whole thing crashes, like white screen of death. Error messages everywhere. My heart skipped a beat. I'm pretty sure I even saw my coding textbook judging me from the corner. Turns out, I missed a single semicolon. A semicolon! One tiny little punctuation mark brought down the whole shebang. Lesson learned. Attention to detail is key in the coding world, my friends. But hey, at least it makes for a funny story, right? Alright, enough laughing at my coding mishaps. Let's get down to business. What skills do you actually need to become a coding ninja? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First up, problem solving. Coding is like solving a giant puzzle. You need to break down problems into smaller chunks and figure out the best way to connect them with code. It's like building a Lego masterpiece, but with way more lines of text. Next, you'll need to understand algorithms. Don't let the fancy words scare you. An algorithm is just a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Think of it like a recipe for your code. Of course, you'll need to learn a programming language, or 2 or 3. Don't worry, you don't need to be fluent in binary code, although that would be impressive. Start with beginner-friendly languages like Python or JavaScript. Start. Section 5. Coding in Action, from Algorithms to Apps. Let's bring these skills to life with some real-world examples. Imagine you're building a music streaming app. You'd use algorithms to sort through millions of songs and create personalized playlists for each user. That's coding magic. Or how about a website that helps people find the perfect recipe? You'd use code to create a searchable database of recipes, complete with filters for dietary restrictions, cuisine types, and more. Suddenly, you're a coding chef. And remember those self-driving cars everyone's talking about? Yep, you guessed it, they run on code. Complex algorithms process data from sensors and cameras to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and hopefully, get you to your destination safely. See, coding is everywhere. Once you understand the basics, you can apply your skills to create amazing things that impact the world around you. Section 6. Share your code capers. All right, coding comrades, it's story time. Have you ever had a hilarious coding mishap like mine? Or maybe you've already built something awesome with your newfound coding skills. Whatever your experience, I want to hear all about it. Head down to the comments section and spill the tea. Let's share our coding wins, our epic fails, and everything in between. Because let's be real, coding is more fun when we're in it together. Plus, who knows? You might just inspire someone else to take the plunge and start their own coding adventure. So go ahead, share your story. The internet is waiting. Section 7. From Coding Zero to Coding Hero. An inspiring tale. Okay, get ready for some serious coding inspiration. Meet Sarah, a high school student who knew absolutely nothing about coding just a year ago. She thought it was all ones and zeros, complicated algorithms, and geeky stuff that only geniuses understood. Sound familiar? But then Sarah stumbled upon a free online coding course. She decided to give it a shot, just for fun. And guess what? She loved it. She discovered that coding wasn't about being a genius, it was about being curious, creative, and persistent. Fast forward to today, and Sarah is building her own websites, creating games, and even teaching other kids how to code. She went from coding zero to coding hero in just 1 year. All because she took that first step, embraced the challenge, and never gave up. Sarah's coding journey shows that anyone can learn. Section 8. Your Coding Toolkit. Skills for Success. So, what have we learned today, coding crew? We've covered a lot of ground, from the importance of programming skills in today's world to the essential tools you need to get started. Remember, coding is all about problem solving, breaking down challenges into manageable steps, algorithms, creating instructions that tell computers what to do, coding languages, learning the language of computers like Python or JavaScript, version control, keeping track of your code changes and collaborating with others, debugging, finding and fixing errors in your code. We've all been there. These skills are your coding toolkit, your secret weapons to unlock a world of possibilities. Section 9. Unleash your inner coder. So there you have it, future coding ninjas. The world of programming is waiting for you, and it's full of exciting challenges, creative opportunities, and endless possibilities. All you have to do is take that first step. Don't be afraid to dive in, make mistakes, and learn from them. Remember, even the best coders started somewhere. With a little bit of curiosity, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of persistence, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So go forth, unleash your inner coder, and let's build the future, one line of code at a time. And hey, if you ever need a laugh, just remember my semicolon catastrophe. We've all been there.